After the age of 60, you're not just getting older, you're losing muscle every single week. It's called sarcopenia, and it's eating away your strength, mobility, and independence even if you feel fine. Studies show that adults over 60 lose 3 to 8% of their muscle mass per decade, and the rate only speeds up with age. By age 80, nearly 50% of your muscle mass could be gone. And here's what the big pharma companies don't want you to realize. Muscle loss is one of the leading triggers for nursing home admissions and mobility-related deaths. But they won't sell you real food or protein. They'll push pills, injections, and ignore the power of what you eat. What's worse, even healthy seniors who walk daily or do light workouts are still losing muscle because they don't get the right fuel. It's not just about staying active, it's about feeding your muscles with the right building blocks. And if you're eating the wrong dinner or skipping key nutrients at night, your muscles are literally breaking down in your sleep. But here's the truth no one is telling you. There are specific foods and drinks backed by science that can stop this process and even rebuild muscle after 60. Whether you eat meat, dairy, or prefer plant-based options, you can still reverse years of hidden muscle loss starting today. So if you care about staying strong, independent, and free from canes and walkers, this video is your wake-up call. Now, without any further delay, let's start with drink number 8, a bedtime staple that's quietly helping thousands of seniors rebuild muscle mass while they sleep. Number 8, low-fat milk. Low-fat milk is far more than a nostalgic drink from your younger years. For people over 60, it becomes a real nutritional weapon against shrinking muscles, fragile bones, and weakness that creeps up without warning. It delivers a powerful combination of complete proteins, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all of which directly support muscle contraction, tissue repair, and bone density. The two milk proteins, casein and whey, are both complete and highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them efficiently to rebuild muscle cells. In a clinical study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, older adults between the ages of 60 and 84 consumed 10 grams of milk protein each night, along with a simple exercise routine. After just 6 months, participants gained an average of 0.6 kilograms of muscle mass and improved their lower body strength by 11% compared to the placebo group. Researchers concluded that even small amounts of milk protein, consumed regularly, can significantly slow age-related muscle wasting and support strength and mobility in older age. This matters because starting around age 60, your body begins to lose as much as 3% of muscle each year if you are not actively preventing it. That loss affects everything from balance to stamina to your ability to live independently. Milk offers a natural way to defend against it. It is affordable, easy to digest, and rich in everything your muscles need to recover and grow. To use it effectively, drink 1 glass of low-fat milk roughly 30 to 60 minutes before going to sleep to support overnight muscle repair. You can also add it to morning coffee, blend it into smoothies with bananas and oats, or use it as the base for protein-rich soups or porridges. If you are lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk still provides the same high-quality protein. Make it a regular part of your daily routine, whether day or night. Coming up next, a creamy snack with slow-release proteins that keep your muscles fed for hours. Number 7, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might not seem like a superfood at first glance, but it is one of the most effective and underrated tools in preserving muscle mass as we age. It is loaded with high-quality casein protein, which digests slowly and steadily releases amino acids into the bloodstream over several hours. That makes it especially useful for overnight muscle recovery, when your body is in repair mode and needs sustained fuel. Cottage cheese also provides calcium, selenium, and vitamin B12, all vital for muscle function, bone strength, and energy metabolism in seniors. In a study published in Nutrients, older adults who consumed high casein dairy products before bed saw measurable improvements in overnight muscle protein synthesis. The slow-digesting nature of casein protein helped maintain an anabolic or muscle-building state throughout the night. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older men who ate a protein-rich snack before sleep retained more lean body mass during periods of calorie restriction.
In both cases, cottage cheese stood out for its effectiveness and digestibility. Why is this important for seniors? Age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, doesn't just reduce your strength, it raises your risk of falls, fractures, insulin resistance, and overall frailty. Adding protein-rich foods like cottage cheese to your routine is one of the simplest ways to fight it, especially for people who struggle to eat large meals or meet their daily protein needs. Small, high-protein snacks like this can make a big difference over time. To incorporate cottage cheese into your diet, enjoy half a cup in the evening with a sprinkle of cinnamon or chopped nuts. Add it to toast with sliced tomatoes or stir it into savory dishes like omelets and vegetable casseroles. You can even mix it with berries or flax seeds for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Look for low-sodium, low-fat varieties if you are managing your blood pressure or cholesterol. Next, we're going back to a breakfast classic that has helped generations of seniors build strength, and it's as simple as boiling water. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is more than just a trendy breakfast item. It is one of the most concentrated sources of high-quality protein, particularly rich in leucine, an amino acid directly involved in muscle protein synthesis. For seniors aiming to preserve lean body mass, leucine plays a key role in activating the muscle-building process, especially after meals or light exercise. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, selenium, and vitamin B12, which support nerve and muscle coordination in seniors. Studies consistently highlight the superior protein quality of dairy-based products. Research published in the Korean Journal of Food and Nutrition confirms that dairy proteins like those found in Greek yogurt stimulate muscle synthesis more effectively than most plant-based proteins. Seniors who consume at least 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal tend to retain more muscle over time. And just one serving of Greek yogurt can contribute up to 20 grams towards that goal. Additionally, guidelines from a major international study on senior nutrition recommend that older adults aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day to prevent muscle loss. Why is Greek yogurt especially useful for people over 60? It's soft and easy to digest, making it ideal for those with chewing issues or digestive sensitivity. It can be eaten on its own or used in countless dishes, providing flexibility for those with changing appetites or dietary needs. To get the benefits, aim for 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt daily. Mix it with berries and ground flax seeds for a muscle-friendly breakfast. Use it as a creamy base for smoothies, salad dressings, or dips. If you're lactose intolerant, plant-based alternatives like coconut or soy yogurt, fortified with protein and calcium, are excellent substitutions.
Now, let's move to a classic food that delivers steady amino acid release through the night, perfect for supporting muscle repair during sleep. Number 5. Boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are among the most complete and affordable sources of protein available, and they pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle maintenance. Each whole egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, with all 9 essential amino acids, including a particularly high dose of leucine. Leucine is vital for initiating muscle protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to rebuild and preserve muscle tissue. Eggs also offer important micronutrients like vitamin D, choline, and selenium, which support nerve function and energy metabolism, both crucial for maintaining muscle strength and mobility as we age. In a clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed whole eggs after resistance training experienced a significantly greater increase in muscle protein synthesis compared to those who consumed only egg whites. The presence of fats and micronutrients in the yolk appears to enhance the muscle-building effects of the protein, making whole eggs a more effective option than isolated protein sources. Another review from the Journal of Nutrition suggests that consistent whole egg consumption, especially post-workout or with breakfast, contributes to improved muscle quality in older individuals. Seniors benefit from boiled eggs because they are easy to prepare, nutrient-dense, and highly bioavailable. They support daily protein goals, which help prevent sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass that affects over 30% of adults over 65. Their soft texture makes them accessible for those with dental or digestive issues, and their versatility allows for endless meal combinations. To include them in your diet, try eating 1 or 2 boiled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast in the morning, or add sliced eggs to a salad or grain bowl. You can prepare them in batches ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a quick, protein-rich snack anytime. Next, we'll look at a powerful pantry staple from the sea that supports both your muscles and your bones, and doesn't cost much to keep stocked. Number 4. Canned sardines. Canned sardines may not be flashy, but they are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to preserving muscle strength in older adults. Each serving is packed with complete protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and highly bioavailable calcium, a rare combination that supports both muscle function and skeletal health. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in the muscle tissue, vitamin D enhances protein synthesis, and calcium plays a critical role in muscle contractions. Combined, these nutrients form a perfect trio for aging bodies trying to hold on to strength and mobility. A study published in Nutrients in 2021 demonstrated that older adults with higher intakes of omega-3s from fish sources showed better hand grip strength, improved walking speed, and greater muscle thickness compared to those with lower intakes. Additionally, vitamin D deficiency is linked to an increased risk of sarcopenia. Sardines provide up to 40% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin D in a single serving, making them a simple and affordable intervention for seniors. Their protein content also contributes directly to meeting the 1.2 grams per kilogram daily protein recommendation for adults over 60. For seniors, sardines offer a practical way to maintain muscle health, especially those who struggle with red meat or dairy. They are soft, easy to chew, and do not require refrigeration, making them ideal for quick meals or travel. Including sardines 2 to 3 times per week can help regulate muscle metabolism and keep your joints and bones in strong working order. To incorporate them into your meals, try mashing them with mustard and avocado on whole grain toast, mixing them into a pasta with lemon and herbs, or simply adding them to a salad. Look for sardines packed in water or olive oil, and always check the sodium content. Lower sodium options are available. Next, let's turn to a humble dairy product that's slow digesting and perfectly suited for overnight muscle repair. Number 3. Cooked lentils. Cooked lentils are one of the most underrated muscle-protecting foods available, especially for older adults who prefer plant-based meals. Packed with approximately 18 grams of protein per cup, lentils provide a powerful, low-fat source of high-quality protein. They're also rich in iron, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to energy metabolism, oxygen delivery to muscles, and overall muscular endurance. The fiber in lentils support digestive health, which becomes increasingly important as we age. A clinical review published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2022 found that seniors who consumed legumes like lentils at least 4 times per week had 26% lower rates of muscle wasting conditions such as sarcopenia. Lentils help older adults achieve the recommended protein intake of 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, especially when combined with other complementary proteins throughout the day. In populations with predominantly plant-based diets, lentil intake has been directly correlated with improved physical performance and reduced frailty scores after age 65. For those over 60, lentils are an excellent way to keep muscles strong without relying on animal products. They are easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and gentle on the digestive system. Lentils also help stabilize blood sugar levels, which in turn supports steady energy throughout the day, an essential factor for staying active and mobile in later life. To use them in your diet, cook a large batch of green, brown, or red lentils and add them to soups, stews, or grain bowls. You can also make lentil patties or combine them with spices and avocado oil as a warm salad base. They store well in the fridge for up to a week, making them perfect for meal prep. For maximum benefit, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or lemon juice to boost iron absorption. Next, let's look at a small but mighty snack that's been shown to enhance grip strength and reduce the risk of muscle decline in older adults.
Number 2. Pistachio snack. Pistachios are more than just a tasty snack. They are a muscle-protecting powerhouse for seniors. These small green nuts are packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a wide array of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. One 30-gram serving provides about 6 grams of protein and a spectrum of amino acids that play a key role in muscle maintenance. They also contain magnesium and potassium, minerals that support muscle contraction and help prevent cramping and fatigue. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2023, adults over 65 who consumed nuts regularly, including pistachios, had 20 to 40% better hand grip strength compared to those who rarely ate nuts. The same study observed a lower incidence of sarcopenia,
the age-related loss of muscle mass in seniors who consumed just 30 grams of pistachios per day. Another research group in South Korea analyzed national dietary patterns in older adults and found that seniors who ate nuts regularly had faster walking speeds, greater balance, and lower overall frailty scores. These studies confirmed that regular pistachio consumption is associated with stronger muscles and better physical performance in later life. For older adults looking to protect their strength and mobility, pistachios are a simple and convenient option. They are easy to digest, have a low glycemic index, and support both cardiovascular and metabolic health. Unlike many other snacks, pistachios help stabilize blood sugar, while also delivering protein and micronutrients that keep muscles nourished. You can add pistachios to your diet by keeping a small container of unsalted, roasted pistachios in your kitchen or bag for snacking between meals. They also pair well with Greek yogurt or oatmeal for a balanced breakfast, or can be tossed over salads and roasted vegetables for extra crunch and nutrition. For a savory treat, try blending pistachios into homemade pesto with olive oil, basil, and garlic. Coming up next is a dairy-free drink that supports muscle maintenance without the digestion issues many seniors face. Number 1. Soy milk. Soy milk is one of the best plant-based alternatives for seniors focused on maintaining muscle health. It is naturally high in complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids the body needs for muscle repair and growth. A single cup contains around 7 grams of protein, along with important nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients work together to support bone and muscle function, making soy milk especially beneficial for aging bodies. A clinical review published in the journal Nutrients in 2021 examined the effects of soy protein on older adults. Researchers found that daily intake of soy protein was just as effective as animal-based protein when it came to preserving lean muscle mass and improving physical function. Another study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle concluded that soy-based diets helped participants aged 60 and over maintain higher walking speed and leg strength over a 12-week period compared to those on lower protein diets. These findings prove soy milk is not just a substitute, but a muscle-supportive choice in its own right. For seniors dealing with lactose intolerance or dairy sensitivity, soy milk offers a smooth, digestible option that avoids the bloating or discomfort often caused by cow's milk. It is also cholesterol-free and low in saturated fats, which supports heart health. Look for versions that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D to maximize benefits. Soy milk can be added to your daily routine. Pour it over breakfast cereals, blend it into smoothies with bananas and peanut butter, or heat it gently with a pinch of cinnamon for an evening drink. It also works well in soups, oatmeal, or even baked goods in place of dairy milk. Losing muscle with age isn't just about getting weaker. It affects your balance, mobility, and independence. But the right nutrition can turn the tide. In this video, we covered 8 of the most effective foods and drinks to protect your muscle mass after 60. From low-fat milk and cottage cheese to cooked lentils and pistachios, each item supports your body with high-quality protein, amino acids like leucine, and key nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium. Even if you prefer dairy-free options, soy milk and Greek yogurt alternatives offer powerful support for muscle retention. What matters most is consistent intake and smart timing, like protein before bed for overnight repair. These aren't just trendy diet choices. They're clinically studied tools to help you stay strong, active, and independent well into your senior years. Start small, pick a few favorites, and make them part of your everyday routine. How old are you? Where are you from? Do you already have some of these foods in your diet? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one and try to reply to as many as possible. Your answers help us build a real community of people focused on staying strong, active, and independent through better nutrition. Don't forget to follow or subscribe so you never miss the next tip that could make a huge difference in your health. We're in this together.